Oh yeah. Nababaw kabalan, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to RAMEN Pampanga guys. For today's vlog, dinayo ko po ang Apalit Pampanga, coming all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga para po matikman ang ramen na yon. Ang daming ramen na tinikman ko guys. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa RAMEN CHAN, Apalit Pampanga. If you wanna know more about the products or the food that they serve for me today, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Thank you so much RAMEN CHAN for inviting me. February po yung start ng first store nila sa Bulacan. Fast forward this November nag-open po yung kanilang Apalit branch. If you notice guys on our table, sobrang generous ng host natin for this vlog kasi lahat ng kanilang menu actually. Ayan, so lahat ng kanilang menu pin-prepare nila para sa atin. Kumanda natin ng mga to guys. It's the first. So dito guys, ang tawag nila dito ay Tantan Men. Notice, diba? As low as 180 pesos. Look at the serving. Whoa. Okay, let me start with the egg. Wow, that's hot. Spiciness level siguro, scale of 1 to 10, this is around 6 or 7. Para sa akin, ganun siya guys. Yung sauce nila, it becomes thick dahil nga overflowing yung ano natin, yung peanut natin dito. I wanna taste next guys is yung kanilang miso. This one is soybean paste naman yung kanyang soup or yung broth niya. So this one's soy, this one's peanut. Aside from mga ramen nga, may mga side dishes din sila na sinaserve dito. I think for this one, this is perfect kapag sama kayong mga bata pag pupunta dito. Sabi niya, ang lutong. Ang lutong. So sa mga flavors naman ng takoyaki natin, they got 3. Octobits, crab and corn, at saka cheesy bomb. When they prepared it earlier, nakita natin to guys. So they put in a piece of cheese, they blowtorch it para mas may smoky flavor yung cheese natin. Wow! You know what I like about dun sa takoyaki nila? It's a little bit crunchy, yung pinaka-crust natin, no? But in the inside, it's very soft. So that one's the octobits. You know what? Same consistency, a little bit crusty dun sa pinaka-surface natin, and then in the inside, napaka-soft. Another dish that I wanna try is yung kanilang Japanese version ng fried rice. So they call it chahan. Ayan. Actually, para na itong all-in-one meal, no? So, you got meat, may vegetables, meron din tayo, of course, yung rice. So, another ramen that you wanna try here is yung kanilang black ramen. So, basically, it has black squid ink that made it black. Ayan. So, guys, ganito talaga yung color nito, guys, ha? Sarap. Parang ito yung favorite ko. When you eat this one, expect nyo na konting little bit messy yung bibig nyo. So among the 3 so far, I think this is one of my favorite. Wow. More of this chahan. Gustuhan ko naman dito is yung parang soy sauce na ginamit nila dito is salty and sweet. Almost a teriyaki barbecue flavor. Para siyang ganun guys. Last on their side dishes is yung gyoza. May nagsabi sa akin guys, if you wanna know overall taste ng isang Japanese restaurant, order ka muna ng kanilang gyoza. And then from there, you can actually base if the chef is good. Pansin nyo ba kung nag-i-enjoy ako? Actually, I'm enjoying. So, lastly, to taste guys is the tonkotsu shoyu. So once again, thank you so much Ramen Chan for inviting me. Patikim-tikim lang yun guys, pero nabusog ako talaga dito. Anyway, so this is how it looks like. Best seller guys. Calamansi juice, they also have soft drinks and water. Wow. Sarap. Ayan guys, this is how it looks like. Papasalamat ako kay Ramen Chan for being such a generous host. If you're to ask me among the four, kung sino yung you're gonna try, if you're just new to this place, no? I think you're gonna go for this one. Para sa akin guys, this is all-in-one. It's creamy, it's very savory. There you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to check out Ramen Chan. So located po ang Apalit branch nila dito sa along MacArthur Highway, Barangay Sampaloc. Ang pinaka-landmark niya dito is just in front lang po siya ng KFC. Style nila dito is actually a street-style ramen. No? Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. As for me, I'm still gonna finish this off camera. Thanks so much for watching RAMEN Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys. Where?